Today I am going to show you how to make Italian tomato sauce from the fresh tomato. Tomato sauce is the building block in Italian cuisine. We can make so many dishes from this sauce. For example, pizza, pasta, ragouts, stew, and many more. First thing that we want to go over is the type of tomato that we are going to use when making a sauce is Roman tomato, because they are richer and sweeter in taste and typically have a lower water content in them. So when you make the sauce with them, the concentration is always richer. Now I am going to blanch the tomatoes so that we can get the skin removed. Before I put tomato into boiling water, just ask the bottom of them. That's going to help the tomato fill up a little bit faster. You should blanch the tomato 30 seconds to 1 minute. And now we are going to work on the onion and garlic. Now I can easily peel the tomato and make sure there is no skin involved in the tomato. Now you can remove the stem, which is really hard, and cut into the dice. Now pan is heated over the medium heat. Now you can put the 3 tablespoons of olive oil and the onion. Once onion is soft, after cooking 3 to 4 minutes, we can add the garlic, and now put the tomato and a little bit of salt and pepper and let them simmer about 30 minutes to 40 minutes as per the requirement of water content in the sauce. Now sauce is ready. Once the heat is decreased, we can blend it for the smooth texture. You can use the herbs during cooking process, but for the sauce, using herbs on the last is the best. You can use the dry oregano, fresh basil, and now sauce is ready. Let them cool and store it for the further use. And share this video to your friends, colleagues, families. Thank you.